Click on the link below to get price. The Aipas F3 electric bike for adults stands out as a formidable contender in the electric bike market, particularly with its impressive 1500W peak motor. This bike is built for performance, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking an exhilarating ride. The powerful motor offers not just speed but also significant torque, which makes climbing hills and navigating rough terrains a breeze. The acceleration is quick and smooth, allowing riders to reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, making daily commutes or weekend adventures more enjoyable. One of the standout features of the Aipas F3 is its 48V 12.8Ah battery, which provides ample power for extended rides. Depending on terrain and rider weight, the battery can deliver a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge in pedal assist mode. This is a significant advantage for those who seek to minimize charging interruptions during long trips. The battery is also removable, making it convenient for charging at home or office. The bike boasts a sturdy aluminum frame that strikes a balance between durability and weight, ensuring that it is both resilient and manageable. The suspension system effectively absorbs shocks, contributing to a comfortable ride over various surfaces. Additionally, the 26-inch wheels provide stability and traction, enhancing the overall riding experience. Aipas has equipped the F3 with a user-friendly LCD display that provides essential information such as speed, distance, and battery level. This feature allows riders to monitor their performance easily. The bike comes with front and rear disc brakes, which deliver reliable stopping power, enhancing safety. In terms of design, the Aipas F3 has a sleek and modern aesthetic that appeals to a wide range of riders. With its combination of power, comfort, and style, this electric bike is an investment that promises satisfaction. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or simply enjoying the great outdoors, the Aipas F3 electric bike is poised to elevate your riding experience.